consultant. I will start my session. This is today's agenda. In introduction, we are going to see first what is agreement and system of agreement and what is contract, and then we'll see legacy system of agreement and problem with this system, and why we are going for advanced modern system of agreement from legacy system of agreement. Then finally we will see a demo for installation of DocuSign in Salesforce and a DocuSign free demo account creation, and it sorry for the disturbance. Finally we will see demo for account creation and DocuSign installation and its configuration and its advanced settings. Let's move to the introduction. First, what is the agreement? Agreement means business process. Similarly, the system of agreement means it's a collection of technologies and processes that determine how written agreement are prepared and managed, action and signed. In current days, lot of departments like sales, marketing, services, HR, finance and education department, product management, any legal department has a system of agreement or any kind of contract. For that, they need to be create written kind of document creation and review for those agreement and approval from various department and signature from different users, and final stages are completed. To manage these kind of stages, we need to move agreement system. First, what is legacy system of agreement? It includes typically paper-based and involve manual processing and written agreement, which is need to be definitely prepared by manually and signed by manually. Here, in the legacy system, here the problem is it involves combinations of printing, scanning, faxing, and emails, which are still manual. It also increases the cost and material needs and times, and also paper-based process. Legal system of agreement undermine the experience of customers, employees, and partners. If any organization uses the legacy system of agreement for their business, they will definitely face following kind of problems like human error. Document can be damaged by people. People may spill drinks and food on them, or your company and it include and its record would be destroyed by fire or any normal weather conditions. And also it needs a cost for paper, printer and printer ink and photocopy, some scanners and fax machines. Paper also needs some physical storage to store. It takes a lot of space, so we need to spend more amount on that. To overcome these kind of issues, DocuSign introduced DocuSign Agreement Cloud. It transforms contract and agreement totally from manual to digital. DocuSign means it's a cloud-based technology. To automate these processes, we are going for a DocuSign tool. These all are the these prepare, sign, act, and manage. These four are the DocuSign agreement clouds stages. It automates the prepare, sign, act, manage stages. In prepare stage, we will create a document. In sign stage, user will able to send any kind of agreement and contract to the corresponding recipient. In act stage, we will take any action on that signed document. In manage, we can manage stage, we can store in single, we can store those agreement in single place. By using this agreement cloud, we can run our business faster with less risks and lower cost and better experience for customers and employers. Let's see the some benefit of DocuSign Agreement Cloud. Mm. This, as I already explained, this automates the process of prepare, sign, act, and manage stages. It also eliminate paper and manual work, and we can create create and process agreement faster with limited touch point and also with reduced errors. This process can be faster, easier, and more accurate. In addition that, we can increase the security and the privacy of the agreements. Uh, After this, do you have any question before going to the demo? Okay, we will see a demo. To use DocSign, you should have an Salesforce and DocSign account. First, we will start with DocSign demo account. You should have a DocSign demo account. You no need to pay for create a demo account. It will not expire. It will have some basic questions about you. After creating account, you will be receive a activation email from DocuSign to register the email ID. You have to activate that email. It will ask you to enter a password. And also it will ask some security questions for your privacy. After activating your account, you will be navigated to the created DocSign account. Now we have successfully created a free DocSign developer environment. Under the settings tab, we have to connect Salesforce with this account. before going to connect configuration, we have to install it. Install DocuSign in Salesforce. This is a managed package, so you can download it from App Exchange. Enter DocuSign for Salesforce. You see matched App Exchange product. You have to select first product. It's named DocuSign e-signature for Salesforce. This is a trial account. You can install it in production or sandbox also. Click get it now. It will ask open login screen. So you can install for this account or sandbox. I select install here. After clicking confirm and install, it will be installed in your corresponding Salesforce account. It will take definitely more than 10 minutes. I have installed already in my account. To see this installed package, in setup, enter installed package. After installation has been completed, you will be able to see DocuSign e-signature for Salesforce package in your account. You have to click configure. It will ask your DocuSign account credential. I have entered created DocuSign account's username and password. So you need to provide environment for that account. For now we have created a demo DocuSign account. Selected a demo. After that, it will ask our Salesforce credentials. I have entered the wrong password here. You have to select production. If you install it in sandbox, you need to select sandbox. the account configuration configured successfully. Then we will move to the DocuSign demo account. In Salesforce side, we have configured. In DocuSign side, we need to configure corresponding Salesforce account. Since we have configured in this account, corresponding DocuSign account, the connect will be automatically connected. The Salesforce account automatically configured in this account. Since already we have configured this DocuSign account with our Salesforce account. Actually, generally Connect will send the real-time data to the corresponding Salesforce accounts. For example, if you send any email to your recipient, if recipient signed or receives their email, the DocuSign Connect will send those information to the Salesforce. We can track those kind of information under the Salesforce. DocuSign by default provide some standard connect on a Salesforce box, OneDrive and e-originals. We can create custom configuration also. We can have multiple active box, OneDrive and custom connect, but Salesforce we can have only one account for a single DocuSign account. Salesforce account. These all are the general settings for Salesforce configurations. This is the connected Salesforce account's username. The environment is production. If you want to change this account to another account, you have to click reconfigure login button. In this, you can connect another Salesforce account. The Salesforce account either production or test, maybe URL. The connected user must be system admin. These are the general settings. If you select enable log button, you can generate log for this connection. If these three settings are disabled by default, if you want, you have to select it. If you select use content file means the completed envelope will be saved as files in notes and attachment section. If you deselect this checkbox, the completed envelope means completed agreement or contract document will be saved as attachment in notes and attachment section. DocuSign supports by default following standard objects: leads, opportunity, contract, case, and accounts. If you want send DocuSign button in corresponding object, you have to select this object. You can find send DocuSign button in selected object. Associated user. In this section, you have to select associated users. In our demo account, we have only one user, so it will be selected automatically. If you have more than one user, means you need to be select these users in that section. If you not selected, the not selected means these users cannot send the envelope to the corresponding recipient. This is the connect object. DocuSign status and DocuSign recipient status. These two objects will be configured automatically by default. it is also installed in inside Salesforce also. If you send any document to the recipient, any recipient, DocuSign sends real-time data to the Salesforce. In Salesforce, we can find that information under the DocuSign status and DocuSign recipient status. DocuSign status is the parent object. DocuSign recipient status as child object inside the Salesforce. By default, it is in inactive state. You have to activate. These all are the trigger events. If you uh, envelope, these all are the envelope event, envelope sent, envelope delivered, envelope signed and completed, envelope declined, envelope voided. If you deselect the envelope sent, the DocSend will not send data to the Salesforce. If any user send a recipient to the any customers. This is all about the basic configurations. Let's see the how can we create users and permission profiles. Here you can create users. And here remaining fields are optional. You have to enter name. It is the required field. Job title and company are optional. You can select different languages. If you want to add more security for users, you can use these features. You have to select a permission profile. By default, DocSign provide three standard permission profiles: DocSign admin, DocSign sender, and viewer. Uh, these these three are standard profiles. It cannot be edited, deleted. If you want to restrict any permissions from admin or sender, you can clone these profiles. By this, you can create a custom profile. Optionally, you can choose the group. If you select DocSign admin, it will be automatically added to the administrator group. Other than administrator group, the remaining users are added to the everyone group. In DocSign, there are two standard groups. One is everyone and administrator. If you want, you can create custom groups also. I have created a admin user in this account. Pending means the user has not completed steps for their membership. Similarly, this user will receive on the activation email from this account. After activating your account, the status will be moved to active state. I have activated. Yeah, the corresponding user status will be moved to the active state. We can download existing users detail as a CSV file. It include it includes users email, status, host name, and the address of the users, and API users name and group. By using this CSV, we can also update existing users membership and newly add users. Let's move to the form sheet profile. Uh, this is the these all are the standard profiles DocuSign provide. If you want, we can create custom profiles. You can create a newly by clicking add permission profile button. You can also copy from existing permission sets. You can restrict admin permissions. We can't edit and delete the standard profiles, but we can modify the custom profile we have created, and also we can copy to create another permission profile. Let's move to the group. These two are standard groups. If you want to any custom group, you can add it by clicking add groups button. In DocuSign, generally groups are used to share templates and assign brandings. Branding is our logo to share logos. This is about the DocuSign configurations. If you want to change your DocuSign account, you have to go to the account under the configuration. You have to click modify account configuration. In that, you can enter another DocuSign account. So you can change the DocuSign account here from here. DocuSign admin and DocuSign envelope configuration, DocuSign envelopes, and DocuSign settings. These are the DocuSign's object. It is installed in part of DocuSign installation. If if DocuSign user sends any email to recipient, DocuSign sends data to the Salesforce account. This data will be created under the DocuSign status. So we can find those information by clicking DocuSign status records. This is by in advanced we can configure setting account layout and custom tag users also. For this session, we will see next sessions. This is all about today's session, all about installation and configuration of a DocuSign and Salesforce. We will see in detail about DocuSign's objects in next session. Any doubts?
Hi, Divya.
Hi, I have one question here.
Hi. Sure, you can ask.
Sorry, I think I was not audible. So my question was, you showed while configuring, you showed in the settings that there you can use DocuSign with some of the standard objects like leads, account, opportunities, cases. So can we use it with custom objects also?
Yeah, yes, we can use it. We will see it in follow-up sessions.
I have one question. Can we connect multiple Salesforce with one DocuSign account?
Sorry, can we connect?
Multiple Salesforce org with one DocuSign account?
No, we can't connect.
Okay.
Any other questions?
Hello.
Hi.
Hello. Hello. Hi. This is Shivanand here. The difference between a DocuSign account and Salesforce org is any?
Yeah, Salesforce is a CRM. We are using DocuSign for e-signature purpose. It's a third party. DocuSign is a third party tool. So for signature purpose, we can integrate both.
In signature purpose only we can inbuilt in Salesforce org only. No, why should we separate for the DocuSign?
Yeah, it's also got a lot of features, advanced features.
Okay. In coming section we can.
Yeah.
Okay. You are saying something.
No, in DocuSign they provide a lot of apps, admin, e-signature, CLM, and room kind of apps DocuSign provides. So in single place we can manage all kind of things.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. In coming section we will go for that one. No? In the deep.
Yeah, we will not cover in depth about DocuSign. We are concentrating on inside the Salesforce, how we can send send DocuSign button and how to connect custom object with DocuSign.
Okay, okay, okay. Thank you. Thanks.
Any other questions? Thank you for your time.
Hi. So thank you for the patience and make this session as an interactive one, and thanks for the question answer session also. So now we are move on to the quiz for this session. So this is the time to win prizes, to say the answers and get prizes. Go on to the first question. So how many stages are there in agreement cloud?
Four.
So
Yeah, 4 stages.
yeah, this is the correct answer. Thank you for the response. And the next question is, DocuSign package is supported in which of the Salesforce view? Salesforce Lightning, Salesforce Classic and Lightning.
Both.
Salesforce Classic and
Classic and Lightning.
Both.
both.
Yeah, that's right. How many Salesforce account can be connected in DocuSign?
One account.
Yeah.
Only one.
Correct answer. How many standard profiles are
One.
provided in DocuSign?
6.
3.
3.
Three or
3.
yeah,
Three.
it's 3. Is it possible to create custom profile in the DocuSign account?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Correct answer. What are the standard configurations supported in DocuSign Connect?
Yes.
All.
I think everyone watched the slide. Yeah.
All.
Now, to
Manage.
Management.
Manage package.
Managed.
yeah,
All of them.
All the above.
All of the above.
here one object missed. Can you guys find out?
All.
Account.
Yeah, that's correct.
Contract.
Yeah, also cases also.
Account
Yeah,
and
yeah.
case.
Lead.
What is the requirement for DocuSign?
E-signature.
E-signature install package.
A and B.
And
A and B.
You need a DocuSign demo account and production. account.
Easy.
yeah.
A and B.
And
Everywhere.
Commonly DocuSign used, huh?
Just signature.
all.
Agreement and digital signature.
Digital signature.
Digital
Yeah,
signature.
we used in online agreement also, but
Yes,
most
agreement
probably
also.
we used in digital signature.
Yeah.
Digital signature.
Thank you.
How
And
you will
we
decide?
have another one logo quiz, guys. How about you guys get a knowledge about this App Exchange product, which all of the products we integrate in our Salesforce org. So I will have the session. So let me share my screen. So can you guys can you please view the screen? You can able to view the screen?
Yes.
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 The first one. This logo, you guys can find out what is the product.
GitHub.
I want proper and full answer for this. It's a question.
GitHub.
next one, you can guys, you can find out that
Aerobit, Aerobit, Aerobit
Rabbit.
tool,
Yep.
Aerobit tool,
Auto rabbit.
Aerobit.
And you guys are find out this Pixinch product.
This is gear set.
Gear set. Gear set tool.
Yes.
This is
And
And tool.
and chain
And
set.
tool. And tool.
Handle.
And tool. And tool.
And migration set.
I will.
this is anyone? Anyone guess this? What is the product? I think I want to give this answer. It's Avalara. And what is this?
Visual Studio.
Visual Studio.
Visual Studio.
Visual Studio. Is this correct?
Yes, Visual Studio.
Visual Studio.
Yes, Visual Studio.
Yep. Visual Studio.
Actually, this is Visual Code.
Yes.
So
Visual Studio.
For deployment and retrieve purpose. And what is this?
monkey.
This is the.
Some monkey.
Can I reveal? Yeah.
Survey monkey maybe. Mail chip.
Oh shit. Mail chip.
What is this?
Wi-Fi.
This logo. No, only we talk about the Apex's product and products which used in Salesforce.
Cube.
Yeah, it's correct.
Source tree.
You.
Yeah, I can hear some answer from James. Anyone give the answer? It's source tree.
Oh shit.
Anyone can find this answer for this logo?
You.
So initially we used this for form-based submission. This is the Apex's product.
Still. CSS.
Not stack.
Form stack.
What is it?
GitHub.
Tomcat.
No, it's a
Apache Tomcat. GitHub.
GitHub.
Copado.
It's a correct answer. Thank you. Who is the server? You can find the answer.
Jenkins.
Yeah, it's
Jenkins.
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 I think I want to reveal this. This is SMS Magic App Exchange. Anyone can find this one? This is also for the form submission. It's a form assembly.
Tableau.
Slack.
Here,
Sorry, Tableau.
It's not
Tableau.
Tableau.
yeah, guys, we have wonderful responses for this both quizzes, and you guys are shows more interest on these things. It's not an end. We have another more 2 sessions about the DocuSign, because we have going to conduct a session for how to setting up DocuSign for Salesforce and then setup process, and how to integrate this action-based things in DocuSign. So we have 2 more sessions about the DocuSign. So that sessions also have some interesting facts and some interesting things. You can have more beneficiary. It's a more beneficiary one. So you can. I suggest you guys will attend the follow-up session also. So then only you can have clear view about the DocuSign, because some people ask, is there possible to connect the custom objects? Is there possible we can switch to one or to another one? That's also coming up upcoming sessions. So you guys have that questions and things. What are the doubts in your mind? Just focus on those things. We will back and we will meet the next session in November 16 and 23. We have 2 follow-up sessions. So kindly join those sessions also and make the session a successful one. And thank you for the cooperation and the interaction and support for this session. And once again, I thank for the speaker, Divya Ravichandran. She did a good job. And kindly send the feedback through that menti.com URL. It's more helpful for us to what are the difficulties and what are the things we missed in the existing session, so we can focus those things and recover in future sessions also. So thanks for the patience, audience, and thanks to shows the huge response among in the huge public crowd. You guys are giving more support and responses for the session and make this one as a successful. Thank you.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Thank you.